Hello and welcome everyone to another Power BI video. I'm Sumit from Nice Software Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use different types of thresholds using Power BI Desktop. For this video, I'm using a simple dataset that shows the actual and forecasted values for revenue and profit for different product subcategories. I've already created a simple report in Power BI Desktop that contains 4 card visuals at the top showing all the KPIs, a timeline slicer that helps me to filter all the data across years, quarters, months, weeks, and days. Currently, I'm looking at the information from Jan to December of 2013. It's an interesting slicer. If you haven't used this before, look for timeline slicer in the marketplace. Okay, so I've got a grid visual as well at the bottom, which shows the detailed information. Now, this grid visual is where I've applied different thresholds like setting the background colors, the icons, and the data bars. And this is essentially what I'm going to discuss in this video. So let me create a separate page in this report where I can recreate this grid visual for you. Select the table visual from the visualization gallery. Drag and drop the month, category, and subcategory dimensions on the visual. Now I want to see only the year dimension on the visual, so from the values section, let me take off the other levels like the quarter, month, and day. Now place all the measures in the visual as well. So I'll take revenue, revenue forecast, profit, and profit forecast measures. Let me increase the font size a bit so that the values can become more readable. I'd also like to apply a table style to make it look a little more presentable. Now I want to set red background color for those product subcategories which has a profit value less than 10,000. Similarly, I want to set the background color as green where the profit is greater than 100,000. Please notice that the threshold is being applied on product subcategory column where the threshold condition is based on profit. To achieve this, navigate to the Format pane, expand the Conditional Formatting section. Select subcategory from the list because this is the column on which you want to apply the formatting. Now turn on the background color to navigate to the screen from where you can set the condition. Select rules from the Format by list. From the fields list, choose profit. Set the operator is less than and set the number as 10,000. Then choose the background color of your choice, let's say a shade of red. Now click on New Rule button and this time set the operator is greater than and set the number as 100,000. Once again, set the color of your choice for this condition. Click on OK to apply the changes, and now you will be able to see the background colors appearing as per the condition we just defined. So, in the same way, you can apply different types of conditional formatting in Power BI Desktop. Let me quickly show you a couple of examples on how to create icons and data bars as well. So, let's say I want to show icons next to my revenue values based on a value range. To do this, navigate to the Values section, click on the arrow icon that's appearing next to the revenue measure, and then go to Conditional Formatting and select Icons. Select the icon set that shows the arrows you'd like to see. Now I'd like to set the range of values as 0 to 30% for the red down arrow, 31 to 70% for the orange arrow, and then 71 to 100% for the green up arrow. Once again, click on OK to apply the threshold. Now you should see the icons appearing on each row next to the revenue values as per the condition we just defined. I'd also like to enable the data bars behind the profit values based on a value range. Let's see how to do this. Navigate to the Values section, click on the arrow icon that's appearing next to the profit measure, go to Conditional Formatting, and then select Data Bars. Now on this screen, all you got to do is set the color for the positive and negative values. I don't have any negative values in my profit column, but I'll still set a negative value color as red and the positive value color as blue, let's say. Set the bar direction as right to left so that the bars can literally appear behind the profit values. Once again, click on OK to apply the threshold, and now you should be able to see the data bars appearing behind the profit values. So this is how you can apply different types of thresholds using Power BI Desktop. It's a pretty useful feature. Try using it sometime if you haven't done it already. For any further queries, please reach out to us on the contact details flashing on your screen right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.